Hello everyone, I am Satyaprakash and today we will be doing Cloud Google Cloud Adventures, that is our arcade game. After clicking here, we redirected to this page. Just sign in your account over here. Now let's go to the adventure mode and start our first arcade lab. Let's wait for a minute to let it start first. Now let's go to task 1. Here the task 1 is just open this arcade, this link. You'll find this link over here, that is adventure application. Just copy over here and now just open here and paste. Sorry, uh, let's go to incognito first, then paste over here. Now, now, here we'll get a story code, that is GCE over here. Just copy over here. Now go to your incognito tab and paste your code over here and submit it. Now, uh, let's go to our task. Here, this screen includes the image of relevant task and below the text, two buttons to enable your decision. Now, over here, we can choose any options and let's say I choose Google Cloud Platform over here and just launch the VM instance. I got my points. You can choose anything and ultimately you will get your assignment. Let's now go to submit your assignment. Now over here, just copy your code. That is lab assignment code. Just copy over here. Go to your incognito and paste over here and just submit it. Now you got your congratulations and let's end the lab here.